Steel begins with raw iron ore arriving in bulk, where controlling material flow matters more than appearance.
High-speed jaw crushers overpower hundreds of rocks continuously, reducing ore size through pure mechanical force.
As conveyor load increases, automated controls slow the system to prevent damage before failure occurs. Vibrating screens separate material by size, forcing oversized rock away while fines pass through instantly. Coal enters storage violently, triggering dust extraction systems designed to protect both machines and workers. Coke ovens seal completely, allowing internal pressure to rise until controlled venting releases excess gas. Red-hot coke exits the oven unstable, then cools aggressively as water quenches its surface. Superheated air blasts upward, driving combustion that converts solid material into molten iron. Lighter impurities rise first, allowing slag to be tapped and removed before iron extraction begins. During transport, heat loss starts immediately, requiring insulated lids and steady movement. Scrap steel is added to control temperature and recycle material back into production. Pure oxygen ignites carbon violently, refining iron into steel through controlled combustion. If carbon burns too fast, oxygen flow is reduced instantly to protect steel quality. Once composition is correct, molten steel is tapped without delay to avoid contamination. Secondary refining fine-tunes temperature and chemistry before the steel solidifies. Sensors monitor every degree, triggering corrections within seconds to stay within tolerance. Liquid steel enters the casting mold, forming a solid shell almost instantly. The strand moves downward carefully, solid outside, while molten steel remains inside.
Bring the furnace back in line, temperature stable.
Still hot steel is cut to length, avoiding internal stress from cold cutting. Cooling sprays reduce heat gradually, preventing cracks caused by thermal shock. Fresh slabs transfer to cooling beds, where motion continues long after cutting ends.
Adjusting scan speed. Recalibration complete. Defect logged. Resuming nominal throughput.
Clamps engage on either end, drawing the bar flat. Pressure comes on, the steel holds, then yields. Grain stretches, edges whiten, and the bend locks in. Pressure off, spring back measured. Final set recorded at 310 kilonewtons.